So I want to understand that when you see these terrorist activities happening and when these terrorists get neutralized, do their souls also linger around and create this kind of energy?
Yeah.
Or is it that they're just straight away sent to hell and they're not coming out?
No. So not straight away. A lot of those accidental deaths, murders, accidents, car accidents, suicides to some extent.
It's a very tough question to talk about
Yeah.
suicide, which is...
Yeah, it's very sensitive as well. Plus, even when we are talking, we try to explain in the most respectful way possible, because people think that someone who commits suicide, they know they are going to die, but that's not the case. They're driven by some emotion is why they're taking that step. Even though they think they are aware, no one likes to die. You know, आप कौन से भी स्टेट में क्यों ना हो, जिंदगी इतनी प्रीशियस है ना, कोई नहीं चाहता कि खत्म हो जाए. So वो एक्सीडेंट क्यों ना हो, मर्डर्स क्यों ना हो, गेटिंग शॉट क्यों ना हो, और सुसाइड फॉर दैट मैटर, आप वो स्टेप लेते हो बिकॉज फॉर दैट मोमेंट यू थिंक दैट इज द ओनली ऑप्शन लेफ्ट, बिकॉज यू आर ड्रिवन बाय समथिंग टू डू दैट. बट वंस दैट हैपेंस ना, आपको रियलाइज होता है कि शिट यार, गलत हो गया. वो जो रियलाइजेशन तब आता है ना, दे गेट स्टक देयर फिर, बिकॉज फॉर देम इट्स अनटाइमली. दे आर लाइक यार ठीक है, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल घर से प्रेशर था तो करके मैंने ये स्टेप लिया, लेकिन मेरे भी तो ड्रीम्स है ना, वो ड्रीम्स का अभी क्या होगा. सो दे लिंगर अराउंड देन.
How long can a soul linger around?
No timeline as such. Sometimes a lot of these cases, they just quickly go to the other side, to the spirit world. It can be suicide, murder, deaths. क्या होता है ना, कुछ लोग रियलाइज कर लेते हैं कि अच्छा हम मर चुके हैं, so need to move on. The moment you realize you are dead, you move on. It's bringing them to realization is the most important part. We do that during our investigation, but sometimes they can also realize
On their own.
on their own. Also, sometimes I have not come across any, but I've read about it that there are आपकी soul family से कुछ spirits आते हैं to receive you.
What is the oldest soul you've come across that you have probably come across?
Yeah, a soul that was like almost stuck there for the last 200-300 years.
And did not realize?
Never realized. We investigated Holkar Bridge in Pune. जहाँ पे we came across an entity, and इतना clear, इतना enlightened था ना through knowledge point of view से. His name was Mr. Srinivas. He said it on Spirit Box. When we asked what's your name, I am Mr. Srinivas. It has been there for the last 200-300 years without knowing के क्या है क्या नहीं है करके. Less than 200-300 years. But it was मतलब old enough to tell के मुझे, मतलब मैं यहाँ पे ही stuck हूँ, मुझे पता भी नहीं. I think I'm still working for some empire, some work. हमको वहाँ पे क्या feel हुआ कि he had come from the south or something as those scholars in different kingdom जाते थे ना. He was one of the scholars, but he did something and then he was killed or something in that river जो nearby है. And he has been stuck there for the last those many years.
Have you ever helped any spirit reach its realization?
A lot.
Help them pass?
A lot. We do that very often. It's one of our missions, I'll be honest. Like I said, helping the souls of both the world, living and the dead. Every place we go to, we ask if they need any help, but they should seek that help. For example, लोग अगर बता दे, अगर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है बट आप बता नहीं रहे हो, तो कैसे किसी को पता चलेगा कि हेल्प चाहिए आपको. जब तक आप वो करोगे नहीं, इट्स बेसिकली आपका ईगो जो आपको बोलने नहीं दे रहा है. इट्स नॉट लेटिंग यू सीक हेल्प. मैं क्यों हेल्प लूं, आई विल हैंडल इट माई सेल्फ. सेम इन अ वे फॉर स्पिरिट्स एज वेल. टिल दैट ईगो इज नॉट गॉन कि मैं खुद फिगर आउट कर लूंगा, दे विल नॉट सीक फॉर हेल्प. द मोमेंट दे से वी नीड हेल्प, वी आर देयर फॉर देम.
I really now want to move on to the subject of calling souls.
Yeah.
The Ouija board.
Ouija board, yeah.
If I'm pronouncing it right.
Ouija, yeah.
Ouija board,
Yeah.
and all of these things. And then because Ouija board was Western, in India also there have been tactics and methods of ways of calling spirits. How does that work? How dangerous it is, because your intention might be to connect with your family member who's passed away, but sometimes the portal opens and you might let some entity enter which should not be entered
Yeah.
into this
Hmm.
realm of Earth.
Yeah.
How does that work, and how should a person deal with it?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक पीछे से शुरू करेंगे. डोंट प्ले. बेस्ट थिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो लेकिन आपको बैट पकड़ना नहीं आता, मत खेलो. बॉल लगेगी, सर पे लग सकता है, बॉडी पे लग सकती है, सिवियर इंजरी हो सकता है. यू डोंट नो. सेम गोज फॉर एनीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड. इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डील विद इट, स्टे अवे. लर्न अबाउट इट. आगे जाके आप कोशिश कर सकते हो, बट डोंट डू बिकॉज यू सॉ इट ऑन द इंटरनेट, which is actually a very major concern when it comes to this paranormal world. In today's time, because of those thousands of reels where people are talking about horror games and कैसे western concept को copy करके इंडिया में बना रहे हैं उसको, young age is getting influenced and they are like, views आएंगे, करते हैं इसको. So it's very important to know what you're dealing with. Now, secondly, coming to Ouija board, इंडिया में तो वीजी बोर्ड नहीं था, बट पहले के ज़माने में आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम मेनी जो पहले करते थे कि कॉइन लेके दे यूज्ड टू डू, और या फिर बोतल के कैप से करते थे कॉलेज वगैरह के डेज में. पहले तो क्वेश्चंस बहुत बकवास होते थे कि मेरी शादी किससे होगी, नौकरी कहाँ पे लगेगी. बट द होल आइडिया ऑफ वीजी बोर्ड वर्क्स ऑन this concept. So we call it that Ouija board and any other spirit calling games, they don't work 99% of the times. They don't work. Except that 1%.